Hey, what's up, Claude? I'm gonna do a tutorial on Metasploit. Metasploit takes advantage of exploits in Windows. Most Windows are patched up or got virus protection on them that'll catch these exploits now. That's why it's important to patch up your computer. I'm using virtual machines. Everything's connected to the LAN like individual computers. So this is just like two different nodes on the LAN. This Windows 7 is just a bare install. It's freshly installed, no updates. Backtrack. I'm going to use Armitage, which is the GUI front end for for Metasploit. Makes it way easier. And I'm also going to use Ettercap to. I'm going to do some ARP poisoning and DNS spoofing. The DNS spoofing is going to bring people to my exploit that's on the LAN. So first of all, I'm not going to change MAC addresses or any of that crap. I'm just going to I'm going to come on here. First of all, I'm going to go to Applications, Backtrack, Services. I'm going to start me an Apache server real quick. And ifconfig. Okay, so here's my IP address. 0.14. I can go make sure my network's set up right real quick. Let's see. 192.168.0.14. Okay, so here's my Apache server. Just running this. I'm going to kind of jump around a little bit because everything kind of takes a second to load up. I'm going to try to do it as quick as possible. Go to Backtrack, Exploitation, Network Exploitation, Metasploit, and then Armitage. It's going to take a second for that to load up. Let's see. What this is starting a database. It's saying, do you want me to start the database? That's what Armitage and the Metasploit run off of. So here, really ain't much I can do. Oh, for Ettercap, you can use app-get install Ettercap. It's not installed by default. This is Backtrack 5 R1, but it's not installed on 5 either. It's just going to tell me that it's installed already because I've already went through this. But this is where you hit yes, and yeah, you want to install it. See, you see it already have the newest version. Still waiting on the Armitage to load up. Takes a second. On this Windows computer, I believe I put in my pictures, don't find me picture. It's a sad guy because he just got hacked. So that's our goal, to don't find me. Okay, looks like Armitage is still loading. I guess I can come down here while it's still loading too. I made me a little cheat sheet for my Ettercap stuff. So I'll look at it. Desktop. Ettercap spoof commands. Okay, so you see right here, this is the file that contain the DNS records. Man, this stuff's running slow. So I'll just try to open some more programs and see if that helps. Sorry, this is all just about killing my poor little computer right now. Okay, so it's all open at the same time now. Here's our Armitage. This console right here is the console is like you would use if you were using Metasploit just regularly. I want to go ahead and start. We have Nmap built right in. Normally these would all be blank for you. So Nmap, do a quick scan, OS, and then I'm going to use the network that I'm on, 0.0 to /24. So this is just going to run an Nmap scan from within Armitage and import all our information up here. Okay. Now we will go. What are we doing? Okay. Okay, so this is going to be our new DNS records. You see right here, I have everything address record. Everything is going to be forwarded to this IP, which is our IP. Okay, so when we do our DNS spoofing, no matter what website, web traffic that we're trying to do, it's going to do an address record right here back to my local computer. So that's our DNS spoofing stuff. Okay, I think this is still scanning. I don't think that's done. So let's go ahead and go over Ettercap real quick. So the gedit, that's our records. Then we do this one right here, and what that is running it. Since I'm on a virtual machine, this is where you normally have your wireless network or whatever. But since this is a virtual machine, it's actually wired to a virtual device. And then these are the plugins. I'm going to use the DNS spoof. And then what this is doing is going to send out ARP requests all over the network saying, hey, any traffic on the network, come to me first. So now I'm going to go in my Windows 7. Now I want to go to google.com, which you see is our Apache server still. Whatever we go to, lighthouse.com. It doesn't matter. Whatever internet traffic we go to now locally on this network, we're going to our little Apache server. Okay, so I don't want an Apache server. I just wanted to do that just to show you that everything is going to services. We're going to stop our Apache server. So we're going to go ahead and we want to use that port. Okay. Now here's our exploits, where they're at. Windows. We want to use a browser. I already know the name of it. It's this MS11 Internet Explorer CSS import, and it just does a memory overflow. And I'll show you. And then it's using a reverse TCP, so it's going to send back a TCP stream back to the computer. Here's our local IP. I don't know if it's going to work the first time. It usually doesn't. Usually I have to run it again. So we want to run in port 80. That way we're not messing around any crazy ports. And then our URI path. We just want a base URI path. So I'm going to launch it. Okay, so here we go right here, a local IP that we're hosting it on. It's so port 80. So now our web host is now our exploit host, if you will. Um, so let's try to go back to uh, let's see, Facebook.com. See, and it actually took us straight to our exploit. It's trying to do the memory overflow right now on the computer, and you'll see this just popped up. Now, right when we get this red, I'm gonna do interpreter and migrate now, and I went ahead and I did that real fast because this person's only gonna leave this up for so long. Um, I mean, it's kind of crashed because I mean it's a memory overflow. So this guy's getting aggravated. Yeah, stupid Facebook Chinese stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that program, whatever.